Sleeping 9 hours every night does the same damage to your brain as sleeping only 5. And most people who do it think they're being healthy.
Wait, what? That makes zero sense. More sleep is always better. Everyone knows that.
That's exactly what researchers thought too, until they ran large studies and found that cognitive performance tanks at both ends, too little and too much.
Okay, but how is sleeping 9 hours even a problem? You're just resting more.
Your brain isn't just resting during sleep, it's running a full maintenance cycle. And if you overrun that cycle, you disrupt it the same way you would by cutting it short.
So there's like an actual sweet spot. What is it?
7 to 9 hours is the window. But here's the thing. For most adults, it's actually tighter than that. Somewhere between 7 and 8 hours is where your brain performs best.
Okay, so if I sleep 8.5 hours, I'm already doing damage? That feels extreme.
One night of 8.5 won't hurt you. The damage comes from doing it consistently, night after night, because it starts to fragment your sleep architecture.
Sleep architecture, what does that mean exactly?
Your sleep runs in cycles of light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. And those cycles need to complete in a specific rhythm, not just pile up like extra episodes of a show you're binging.
Okay, that actually makes sense, but I still don't get why oversleeping breaks the rhythm.
Here's the twist. Oversleeping is usually not the cause of the problem. It's the symptom. Your body is trying to tell you something is already wrong.
Wait, so when I sleep 10 hours and still feel groggy, I'm not sleeping too much. My body is already broken somehow?
Exactly. Chronic oversleeping is linked to inflammation, depression, thyroid issues, and sleep apnea. So the grogginess after 10 hours isn't from too much sleep. It's from whatever is making you need 10 hours in the first place.
That completely reframes everything. So I should stop treating sleep like a number and start asking why I need so much.
Right. And the science calls this hypersomnia. And people who experience it consistently score as poorly on memory and reaction time tests as people running on 5 hours of sleep.
So your brain on too much sleep and your brain on too little sleep are basically the same brain, just wrecked from different directions.
Same cognitive fog, same slower reaction time, same memory gaps, different cause, identical result.
Okay, so what can I actually do with this today, right now?
Pick one consistent wake time and stick to it every single day. Not a sleep time, a wake time, because that anchor is what locks your sleep cycle into its proper rhythm.
So the alarm isn't the enemy, it's actually the thing keeping your brain working. I need to rethink my whole relationship with the snooze button.